Get started as a strategy provider with Hantec Social. Share your strategy with others and earn a tailored performance fee every time they copy you. Here's how to become a strategy provider. Download the Hantec Social app or visit our web portal. Click on Register as a provider to get started. Select your preferred MetaTrader server, enter your trading account details, and choose your strategy provider nickname, which will be visible to your followers. You can change your nickname anytime. Share your strategy. Once activated, create your first strategy or offer. Create one or multiple trading strategies for your followers. Give them a title and select their visibility. Make them public and open to all your followers. Or keep them private, joined only by a personalized link you create. Performance fees are flexible. Choose your individual fee structure ranging from 1% to 50% and click Save Changes to go live. Create offer links. Want to invite a new audience to subscribe to your strategy? Simply create a join link. Give it a unique name and set an expiration date for the link. Share the join link and the key with your audience so they can subscribe effortlessly. Edit your performance fees. You can still tweak your performance fee after creating an offer. Edit the performance fee percentage or select payout duration between weekly and monthly payments. Share multiple strategies. Running strategies on multiple accounts? You can share them all with Hantec Social. To add multiple accounts on Hantec Social, tap More and select Accounts in the Trading section. Then, select New Account and enter your Hantec Markets login credentials. That's it! You added a new account. To start sharing the strategy, add a new provider linked to this account. Go to My Providers, add a new provider, choose a nickname, and follow the same steps as before to create offers. If your strategy provider is set to public, you'll be featured in the Discover section, making it easier for more copiers to find and follow you. Ready to copy trade? Sign up with Hantec Markets today.